The endosymbiotic theory. This is the evolutionary explanation of the origin of the mitochondria, which gives energy for animal cells, and the origin of chloroplasts that gives the energy for plant cells, as well as the evolutionary explanation of the origin of three membrane-bound organelles that are present in all plants and animals, and these are the nuclear membrane, the Golgi apparatus, and the endoplasmic reticulum. That's quite a statement. For evolution to be true, the endosymbiotic theory must be true. They all believe this, and it's the only explanation. What they are saying is that before there was the complex life of plants and animals, and the world only had viruses and bacteria, that these life forms would engulf each other, and one life, rather than being digested, would then be incorporated into the new life to create, including the DNA, and then this would be carried into future generations. Like plants, we're told were evolved when an algae in the ocean ate a cyanobacterium, and the cyanobacterium was not digested, but instead was incorporated into the algae, did functions for the algae, then DNA was incorporated, and this became future generations. So unless organisms can engulf other organisms to create new life forms, that is the endosymbiotic theory. The details on how this could happen is unexplained. They've tried to reproduce it in the lab and are unable. But when this was first presented in 1906, it seemed ridiculous and it was laughed at essentially, and it met with widespread criticism. But now there's no other theory has been presented. So now it's widely accepted, and every evolutionist believes this is the mechanism for the existence of all of these essential components of life. If the endosymbiotic theory, where organisms can engulf other organisms to develop new organisms as complex as plants and animals, then evolution can't be true. How this happened is unexplained, and it's just another thing that is unexplained of the things that exist in the world through the process of evolution.